Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. It's already Monday and as you can see, meron akong injection right now kasi I was scratched by our pet cat sa bahay. Nangyari kasi is, naglalaro siya sa may kurtina namin. Kaso kasi dahil ahas ako, what I mean is, iniwan ko lang kasi kung saan yung sapatos ko and then kinuha ko yung medyas kasi kanina umaga naglaba ako. And pagkakuha ko dun sa may medyas, sumampa rin siya sa akin hanggang sa scratch niya. So naglalaro kasi yung pusa and then I went to the nearest hospital sa may kawayan, sa lugar where I live. And nagpa-injection ako. Right now, nilinis ko yung brushes, yung mga favorite brushes ko na ginagamit ko on a daily basis. I have my powder brush. This is from Beauty Cosmetics. This is my favorite concealer brush. This is from Landmark. Ano pangalan nito? Chilling Me. I have this flat top kabuki brush from Landmark also. This is blush brush from Swoosh or Swash. This is a blending brush from Landmark. This is an Artist Studio blending brush. So, hindi ko pa na-share sa inyo marami kong brushes nga pala. I have a 28 set Swoosh brush. Meron din akong Beauty Cosmetics and I already reviewed those brushes. I think that's the Chelsea brush set. Meron akong review. I'll put the information in the description box or sa info card. And I have a new favorite right now. Itong beauty blender from Pretty Angel Shop. This is only 170 pesos. Sobrang ganda niya kasi kahapon, di ba, if you already watch my last vlog, which is the photo shoot, and actually right now is ina-upload ko pa siya, and by the time that you have watched this one, is probably na-upload na siya. Ganda niya, sobrang ganda. This is just 170 pesos and I'm wondering kung totoo siya. Kasi wala naman sigurong beauty blender 170 pesos. And I have my second one. Bumili ko kahapon. Dalawa na sila. And bumili, eto yung brush guard na nakikita nyo dito, bumili ko. Dalawa na yun. So for 2 consecutive weeks na dumaan ako ng Trinoma, bumili ko niyan. So bumili ko ng brush guard. And I have this also yung Mary Kay translucent powder. Ang ganda niya. I like it. And that's it. Maya-maya papasok na ako. Hey guys, so papasok na ako and papunta ng... Yung kanina nagpe-prepare ako, meron akong na-discover na bagong foundation routine. And probably I will be doing a video about this one. Ang ganda oh. Hindi siya masyadong makapal na foundation and probably everyone will like it. And I also like it. Ayan. Oh, hi guys, I'm so sorry. Natulog kasi ako. Kasi ito talaga yung struggle ko every Monday shift ko. Usually kasi ang nangyayari, pag nag-off ako, bumabalik yung tulog ko sa gabi. And then, come Monday, nagigising ako ng mga 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. And then, tuloy-tuloy na yun. Kasi I usually edit videos Saturday night, Saturday, pagdating ko ng bahay, kasi makatulog ako ng gabi. Sunday, yan, tuloy-tuloy yan. Kasi that's the time that I usually upload. Kasi nga, I don't have any internet access dito sa bahay, dito sa apartment ko here in Makati. So, ayun nga, Monday straight hanggang gabi. The next Tuesday morning yon gising ako niyan. Kaya, ayan, grabe. Yun yung mga bagay na nagpapastress sa akin kasi nga, it's really hard to work at night. Ay, hirap kumita ng pera. Guys, in a bit, papasok na ako. And, ay, basta, taga lang. Yung puwisan kasi ako sa pagsasapatos eh. Well, anyway, ito pa rin yung foundation routine ko na sinasabi ko kahapon. And, I try to improve it. And, nandun ako sa, process na gusto ko siya yung mas matagal yung mangyari sa kanya. Yung mas intact siya the whole day. Kasi yung kahapon, medyo nag-cake siya sa part na nandun. So, I'm trying to improve ba naman yung ginawa kong process kahapon. And, basta kapag na-improve ko na siya, that's the time that I will be posting or I will be making a video about that. Okay, ayan guys, naglalakad na ako dito sa may Buendia Avenue. Ay, grabe. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung shades ko, nakakainis. I am back for a vlog. Nandito kami sa Chef Palace with LM. So, kain na muna kami. Na ako, in order ko is tinuguan and rice. Para sa Hello Kitty. Guys, I'm back and I'm already here sa apartment. And as you can see, tinanggal ko na yung dumi dyan. Actually, it's not yet done. Alam ko naman na hindi siya ganun ka-organized as of now. But I'm trying to segregate those things na kailangan kong magagamit ko pa. Kasi actually, we already found an apartment and sobrang ganda niya. So, LM, Adarna, and I will be a housemate soon. And I'm so looking forward dun sa bahay kasi sobrang ganda talaga niya. It's white. I'm gonna have my separate room kasi 2 bedrooms yung kailangan. What I mean is, 2 bedrooms yung available apartment doon. And then, what else? It's in front of Pasig River. Pero Makati area pa rin siya. So, I just think na whenever malapit kasi yung location sa running water, it's swerte. Sabi nila, swerte daw yun. And maganda yung view, although I can hear yung tawag dito, yung daan ng sasakyan doon sa Mandaluyong part. Well, I need to invest a DSLR microphone. Siguro yun yung naisip ko na workaround, I mean, para hindi marinig yung outside noise. And that's it. So, I'll be updating siguro tomorrow na. And, ayan, ito yung face ko na. I'm still thinking of something para mas intact pa rin yung foundation. And, well, anyway, I did not retouch or something. Blat-blat lang yan ng tissue paper. Ayan. Siguro nang lalagay ko dito setting spray kaso mahal kasi ng setting spray from Mary Kay. It's 1,500 something siya. Siya for a 30 ml bottle and that's expensive. Ay, may naisip na ako. I have an idea. Well, anyway. I'll be updating tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.
Naka-silent yan.
Ano, where do you want to eat?
Naka-Bex!
Parang sarado, Bex. Pero may chicken doon.
Wala sarado mo. Ba't ka tayo Bex?
Pwede rin. Hindi siya kita. Ano ba yan? I'm here in Trinoma right now. I'm so sorry guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Kasi nga, I had a lot of things to do kasi nag-encash ako ng cheque kanina and then, ayun nga. Ayan, pauwi ako ngayon ng Bulacan kasi nga yung balik ko sa anti-rabies ngayon pala. Pala guys, I forgot to say this. I just reached 100 subscribers on YouTube. I'm so thankful to everyone na nag-subscribe sa akin. Thank you so much, na-appreciate niyo pala yung mga ginagawa kong effort.